Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok live option not showing. If you're using TikTok and your live option is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So you just have to make sure that you have a strongest Wi-Fi connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have checked, you have to open your TikTok, and here you just have to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three dots in the top right corner, then select settings and privacy. And here you just have to look for the option of free up space. Then select the cache, and here the clear option, select the clear. Then select clear cache option. And here you have to select clear downloads if you want to clear your downloads. And once you have done, you just have to go back. So it will almost fix your issue. Or you have to try to update your TikTok app, open App Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for TikTok. Once you have searched, you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update available here, or if you have any pending update, try to update with your TikTok app once you have updated, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to open support, and here you just have to look for live section. Here's the option of live. You have to select the see more option, and here you will get different option here. If you find your problem here, so you can select that, or if you can't find it, select the chat with us option. And here you just have to describe your issue is, for example, that live option is not showing or something like that, and you will get official help from TikTok support team. So in this way you can easily fix if your TikTok live option not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.